And welcome back to Joe Duffy MINI. My name is Ben and today I have a Countryman here for you today. This is a 1.5 litre hybrid Countryman. This is a plug-in hybrid. I'll show you on the other side in a moment. We have 17-inch alloys on this car, and just on the inside with our comfort access, tap of the button, keys in our pocket, the door opens wide up. So just in here is a cloth firework carbon black along with our multifunction steering wheel, a digital display, and it is an automatic. We do also have heated seats on there as well. A little look inside the driver's seat here. We have 70,000 kilometers on the clock here, and just over here we have our infotainment system. So if we just pop into media, as we can see, this car comes with Apple CarPlay, and it also comes with its own inbuilt navigation system. So we can set a quick search. We can search for where we want to go, and we also do have reverse sensors on this vehicle too. Plenty of space in the back here for our passengers, and these seats also fold flat by just the pull of this strap here. Popping around to our automatic boot, by a tap of the button up here we can open and close our boot, and plenty of space back here for all our storage needs. Looking under here, we have our tyre repair kit, our extension cable for charging the vehicle, and its little carry case just there as well. A little look over here, this is where we plug the car in, and we'll get about 28 kilometers off the hybrid battery alone, but it is more used for efficiency. So, if we have any questions or queries about this Countryman, or would like to bring it for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01864 7777, or pop into our showroom, exit 5 off the M50. Thank you.